How to adjust volume on Waze app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Waze app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, simply click on Voice and Sound. After you click on Voice and Sound, here you'll find Sound. Below it, you'll find Guidance Volume. Simply slide the slider to the right means the volume is up, and to the left means volume is down. So adjust it as you want. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to adjust volume on Waze app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.